Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. Let's make a homemade bird feeder this week as an upcycling project. You will need a paper towel roll tube, 2 twigs or wooden sticks, a string. You can use a ribbon to hang your bird feeder, a hole puncher, peanut butter, a spreader, and bird seeds. First, make 4 holes on this side of the paper towel roll. Then the next 2 should be a little higher than the first 2. Here and here. Then make 2 holes up here. Pull a string through the holes up here. And tie it. Then spread the peanut butter on the paper towel roll. Leave some room around the sticks, around for the sticks. Spread generously. Then roll it on the bird seeds. Finally, insert 2 sticks through the bottom holes. So birds can sit on the sticks and enjoy your homemade bird feeder. Hang it on a tree or anywhere you like. Welcome your neighborhood birds this summer with this upcycling project. Enjoy the craft. See you next week.